Hello, hello. I'm here to do a taste test and review of this Red Baron French bread singles 3-meat pizzas. Here's the packaging. Here's the product, all nice and toasted and even cut up, ready to enjoy. It definitely has plenty of meat on it, that's for sure. It got a nice crispiness to the crust. Let's see. It says this is 380 calories. Per serving size is 1 pizza. The meat isn't too greasy. Taste by yours and see what you think. Good flavor. Not too salty.
I get it again.
Yeah.
Really
get this again. Bread. And I would recommend this to others. I think, yeah, this can be done in the conventional oven, which is what we did, or it can be done in a microwave oven. So I'm guessing in the microwave oven it wouldn't be as crunchy if you were wanting kind of more of a doughy-ish soft pizza. But yeah, I'll see if I can find this link for it. If I can, I'll put it below. If you've ever tried this before, did you like it? I would give this a solid 4 out of 5. Yeah. I would give it a 5 out of 5 if they had a little sauce pack that they added in it with a little marinara to drizzle over the top, because I do think that would be nice. If you haven't tried this before, are you a fan of French bread style pizza? Let me know. And thank you for watching this video. Bye.